My name is Ryan Mannette, and I represent the LGO species. In this workshop, we are learning how to fly drones and how to apply drones for environmental mapping. Coming into the workshop, I wasn't really sure what to expect. All I knew was we learned to fly drones. I think what we got in this workshop is so much more than just flying. We learned the application of it and how to do actual mapping using the drones. So what we can do with this now is use our knowledge that we gain here to go out in the field and do our ecological monitoring. In species, we have a few projects we are getting off the ground, which include sea turtle monitoring and coastal zone monitoring. The mapping of these areas using the drones would be a great asset to our organization, as we'll be able to more quickly ascertain what we have in the field and what the conditions are, use that information to assist in environmental management and planning and policy planning going forward.